Ever imagined turning your screen time into cash? Dive into the digital edge and unlock the goldmine of online earning opportunities. Stay tuned. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're venturing into the expansive realm of monetizing the digital edge. Stay with us till the end, as the information unveiled in this video is a game changer in navigating the online money-making landscape. Let's traverse this digital earning frontier together. Have you ever wondered how to turn your internet time into cash? The first step is understanding the digital landscape. The internet is a vast marketplace, and understanding how it works is crucial. One popular way to make money online is through e-commerce. With the rise of platforms like Amazon and eBay, anyone can start an online store. From selling your own products to dropshipping, the opportunities are endless. But maybe you're more of a creative soul. In that case, consider becoming a content creator. This can range from writing blogs, creating YouTube videos, to podcasting. Monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, and memberships can be quite lucrative. Affiliate marketing is another great avenue. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales that are made, you can earn passive income. All it takes is a platform to share your affiliate links. Are you tech savvy? Then consider offering your skills as a freelancer. Many businesses are looking for freelance web designers, SEO experts, and social media managers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you connect with potential clients. For those with a knack for teaching, online tutoring or creating online courses could be your ticket to earning on the digital edge. Platforms like Udemy allow you to create and sell courses on a variety of topics. Are you entertained? Ensure the fun continues. Press subscribe, like, and ring the bell for an ongoing supply of enjoyment. Ready for more fun? Let's dive back in. Paid surveys and testing websites might not make you rich, but they're a great way to earn some extra cash. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products or to test their websites for user friendliness. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be another way to make money online. While it's not without risk, those who've invested wisely have seen significant returns. Lastly, there's blogging. By creating a blog, you can earn money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. It might take time to grow your readership, but the earning potential is substantial. Remember, making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience, dedication, and hard work. But with the right strategies, the digital edge can be a gold mine of opportunities. Start today. Harness the power of the internet and turn your digital prowess into a profitable venture. The world of online earning awaits you. So take that leap and make your mark on the digital edge. Still on screen? Great, as there's a bounty awaiting you. Engage with a free ebook that uncovers the elite online business to fire up today. But that's just the starting line. Once you digest the ebook, a tantalizing 15-day challenge is set to spring into action, tailor-made for the specific business adventure. With veteran coaches, illuminating insights, and a robust set of launch tools, you're on the fast track to digital victory. Feel the potential? Time is of the essence. Slam the link in the description at once and thrust yourself into the arena of online triumph. As we close today's digital book, I'm eager for your reviews. Tried the method I narrated, still pondering its chapters? Leave your comments below. Questions? I'm here, ready to elucidate. Your feedback writes our sequel. Fascinated by today's story? Hit that like button. Thirsty for more tales? Subscribe and ring the notification bell for more chapters. Be the first to turn each new page. Before you bookmark, see that video on your screen? It's another captivating story waiting for you. Dive in, let's continue this literary adventure together. Until next time,